What if I told you there's a tech career in India where freshers are landing up to 12 LPA job, mid-level folks are touching around 30 LPA, and AI is actually making the role more valuable, not less. So hi everyone, I am Manan Narula, a senior data engineer working at Microsoft Data and AI team, and today I will be answering the most frequently asked question around data engineering. Most people walk right past data engineering because they don't understand what it actually is. Today I am fixing that. 5 questions, 5 straight answers. Let's go. The most frequently asked question that I get, what does data engineers do on a daily level? Okay, so I want you to think your company as a city, right? So data is the water. Data engineering builds and maintain the pipes that make sure clean, usable water reaches every house that needs. It's your analysts, your data scientists, your business teams. On a regular day, a data engineer pulls data from multiple sources, apps, APIs, database, cloud storage, cleaning it up, transforming it, and making sure it lands on the data warehouse like data query, Snowflake, and shaping so that other can actually use. So they are monitoring the pipelines. If the pipeline breaks, other teams will not be able to use it properly. The job is less glamorous than it actually sounds on paper. So without a solid data engineer, the analyst has no data to analyze, and the machine learning model has nothing to train on. Everything depends on the role of data engineer. So the next question which I frequently get is, can non-coders become data engineers? So the answer is yes, but be honest with yourself about what that means. You cannot walk in it with zero technical knowledge at all. What you can do is build those skills regardless of your background about data engineering. Some of the best data engineers started in finance, operations, even biology also. What they had in common was the willingness to learn the data tech stack like SQL, Python, and the basics of cloud platform. That's your starting point, not a CS degree. So, not the years of experience you have. Just those 3 things done seriously with real projects will make you a good data engineer. At Bosscoder, we have seen people transition under a year from non-tech to tech platform as well. It's not easy, I would say, but it's doable for sure. The non-coders who commit fully beats the half-committed CS graduates as well. Answering the next question, how is AI impacting data engineers? Here's the truth that scary headline miss. AI needs data, enormous amount of clean, structured, and reliable data. Who build the system that feeds those AI models? It is the data engineers who feed those systems. Every company racing to get into the AI world is hiring more and more data engineers these days, not fewer, because someone has to build the infrastructure underneath it, right? So that AI can work properly. So the pipeline, the warehouse, the data quality check, it's the role of data engineers who build all those things. Yes, AI tools help engineers write code faster. Copilot really helps AI engineers. Beneath it, we need a good amount of structured data. So that is what data engineers do. But the architectural judgment, the system design, the debugging of the broken pipelines, that skills required a human who understand the full picture. So AI is a powerful tool for data engineers, not a replacement. So data engineers will not be replaceable by AI. The next most important question is, what is data engineering salary in India? Let's get to the numbers. For entry level, you can say 0 to 2 years of experience, you can expect up to around 12 LPA. You are learning, you are building the first real pipelines, figuring it out, production ready systems, right? But once you reach the mid level, 2 to 5 year of experience, this is where it's really exciting. So you will get somewhere around 15 to 30 LPA in a typical company, right? So in that company, you'll be working on Spark, building real level systems like that. And once you reach a senior level, that is 5+ experience, you can expect somewhere around 35 to 60 LPA. And at FANG level companies, be it even more than that. What moves the needle faster, right? It is the specialization across each domain which we have. Getting deeper understanding in the cloud, particularly AWS, GCP, or Azure, whatever you choose. Get comfortable with distributed computing systems like Spark, Airflow, DBT, add system designing to that. So those specific skills are where the demand outspaces and you will get more compensation on that particular part. So at the end, yes, data engineering is well paying, AI proof, open to people who aren't traditionally coders from scratch. So the roadmap is clear, right? You should learn SQL, Python, cloud pipeline systems, tools, system design, and the market is waiting for you to explore, right? So if you want the exact roadmap, skills, project, you should check out the Bosscoder Academy's data engineering program. And if this program saves someone from making a bad career decision, share it with your friends and one click from you could genuinely change someone's direction in life. So subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.